लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालान्तधाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्. Quickly we'll do the parayana of all these shlokas and then we will learn new shlokas. तपस्वाध्यायनिरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदाम्बरं नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवं कोऽन्वस्मिन् साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कश्च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञश्च कृतज्ञश्च सत्यवाक्यो दृढव्रतः चारित्रेण च को युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु को हितः विद्वान् कः समर्थश्च कश्चैकप्रियदर्शनः आत्मवान् को चितक्रोधो द्युतिमान् को न सूयकः अस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे एतदिच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं परं कौतूहलं हि मे महर्षे त्वं समर्थोऽसि ज्ञातुमेवं विधन्नरम् श्रुत्वा चैतत्त्रिलोकज्ञो वाल्मीकेर्नारदो वचः श्रूयतामिति चामन्त्र्य प्रहृष्टो वाक्यमब्रवीत् बहवो दुर्लभाश्चैव ये त्वया कीर्तिता गुणाः मुने वक्ष्याम्यहं बुद्ध्वा तैर्युक्तः श्रूयतान्नरः इक्ष्वाकुवंशप्रभवो रामो नाम जनैः श्रुतः नियतात्मा महावीर्यो द्युतिमान् धृतिमान् वशी बुद्धिमान् नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् चतुर्निबर्हणः विपुलांसो महाबाहुः कम्बुग्रीवो महाहनुः महोरस्को महेश्वासो गूढचतुररिन्दमः आजानुबाहुः सुशिराः सुललाटः सुविक्रमः समः समविभक्ताङ्गस्निग्धवर्णः प्रतापवान् पीनवक्षा विशालाक्षो लक्ष्मीवान् शुभलक्षणः धर्मज्ञः सत्यसन्धश्च प्रजानां च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः शुचिर्वश्यः समाधिमान् प्रजापतिसमः श्रीमान् धाता रिपुरिषूदनः रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य परिरक्षिता रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेदाङ्गतत्त्वज्ञो धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठितः सर्वशास्त्रार्थतत्त्वज्ञः स्मृतिमान् प्रतिभानवान् सर्वलोकप्रियः साधुरदीनात्मा विचक्षणः सर्वदाभिगतः सद्भिः समुद्र इव सिन्धुभिः आर्यः सर्वसमश्चैव सदैव प्रियदर्शनः स च सर्वगुणोपेतः कौसल्यानन्दवर्धनः समुद्र इव गाम्भीर्ये धैर्येण हिमवानिव विष्णुना सदृशो वीर्ये सोमवत्प्रियदर्शनः कालाग्निसदृशः क्रोधे क्षमया पृथिवी समः धनदेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्म इवापरः तमेवं गुणसम्पन्नं रामं सत्यपराक्रमं ज्येष्ठं श्रेष्ठगुणैर्युक्तं प्रियं दशरथः सुतं प्रकृतीनां हितैर्युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यया यौवराज्येन संयोक्तुमैच्छत् प्रीत्या महीपतिः तस्याभिषेकसम्भारान् दृष्ट्वा भार्याथ कैकेयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरमेनम् अयाचत विवासनं च रामस्य भरतस्याभिषेचनं स सत्यवचनात् राजा धर्मपाशेन संयतः विवासयामास सुतं रामं दशरथः प्रियं स जगाम वनं वीरः प्रतिज्ञामनुपालयन् पितुर्वचननिर्देशात् कैकेय्याः प्रियकारणात् तं व्रजन्तं प्रियो भ्राता लक्ष्मणोऽनुजगामः स्नेहाद् विनयसम्पन्नः सुमित्रानन्दवर्धनः भ्रातरं दयितो भ्रातुः सौभ्रात्रमनुदर्शयन् रामस्य दयिता भार्या नित्यं प्राणसमाहिता जनकस्य कुले जाता देवमायेव निर्मिता सर्वलक्षणसम्पन्ना नारीणामुत्तमा वधूः सीताप्यनुगता रामं शिशिनं रोहिणी यथा पौरैरनुगतो दूरं पित्रा दशरथेन च शृङ्गिबेरपुरे सूतं गङ्गाकुवले व्यसर्जयत् गुहमासाद्य धर्मात्मा निषादाधिपतिं प्रियम् गुहेन सहितो रामो लक्ष्मणेन च सीतया ते वनेन वनं गत्वा नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहूदकाः चित्रकूटमनुप्राप्य भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् रम्यमावसतं कृत्वा रममाणा वने त्रयः देवगन्धर्वसङ्काशास्तत्र ते न्यवसन् सुखम् चित्रकूटं गते रामे पुत्रशोकातुरस्तथा राजा दशरथः स्वर्गं जगाम विलपन् सुतम् मृते तु तस्मिन् भरतो वसिष्ठप्रमुखैर्द्विजैः नियुज्यमानो राज्यायनैच्छत् राज्यं महाबलः स जगाम वनं वीरो रामपादप्रसादकः गत्वा तु सुमहात्मानं रामं सत्यपराक्रमम् अयाचत् भ्रातरं रामम् आर्यभावपुरस्कृतः त्वमेव राजा धर्मज्ञ इति रामं वचोब्रवीत् रामोऽपि परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः न चैच्छत् पितुरादेशात् राज्यं रामो महाबलः पादुके चास्य राज्याय न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः निवर्तयामास ततो भरतं भरताग्रजः स काममनवाप्यैव रामपादावुपस्पृशन् नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यं रामागमनकाङ्क्षया गते तु भरते श्रीमान् सत्यसन्धो जितेन्द्रियः रामस्तु पुनरालक्ष्य नागरस्य जनस्य च तत्रागमनमेकाग्रो दण्डकान् प्रविवेशः प्रविश्यतु महारण्यं रामो राजीवलोचनः विराधं राक्षसं हत्वा शरभङ्गं ददर्शः सुदीक्ष्णं चाप्यगस्त्यं च अगस्त्यभ्रातरं तथा अगस्त्यवचनाच्चैव जग्राह इन्द्रं शरासनं खड्गं च परमप्रीतस्तूणी चाक्षयसायकौ वसतस्तस्य रामस्य वने वनचरैः सह ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् सर्वे वधायासुररक्षसां स तेषां प्रतिशुश्राव राक्षसानां तथा वने प्रतिज्ञातश्च रामेण रथः संयतिरक्षसां ऋषीणामग्निकल्पानां दण्डकारण्यवासिनां तेन तत्रैव वसता जनस्थाननिवासिनी विरूपिता शूर्पणखा राक्षसी कामरूपिणी ततः शूर्पणखा वाक्यादुद्युक्तान् सर्वराक्षसान् खरन् त्रिशिरसञ्चैव दूषणं चैव राक्षसं निजघानरणे रामस्तेषा निजघानरणे रामस्तेषां चैव पदानुगान् वने तस्मिन् निवसता जनस्थाननिवासिनां रक्षसान् निहतान्यासन् सहस्राणि 14 ततो ज्ञातिवधं श्रुत्वा रावणः क्रोधमूर्च्छितः सहायं वरयामास मारीचन्नाम राक्षसं वार्यमाणः सुबहुशो मारीचेन स रावणः न विरोधो बलवता क्षमो रावणतेन ते अनादृत्य तु तद्वाक्यं रावणः कालचोदितः जगाम सह मारीचः तस्याश्रमपदं तदा तेन मायाविना दूरम् अपवाह्य नृपात्मजौ विहारभार्यान् रामस्य गृध्रं हत्वा जटायुषम् गृध्रं च निहतं दृष्ट्वा हृतां श्रुत्वा च मैथिलीं राघवः शोकसन्तप्तो विरलापाकुलेन्द्रियः ततस्तेनैव शोकेन गृध्रं दग्ध्वा जटायुषं मार्गमाणो वने सीतां राक्षसं सन्ददर्शः कबन्धन्नाम रूपेण विकृतं घोरदर्शनं निहत्य महाबाहुः ददाह स्वर्गतश्च सः स चास्य कथयामास शबरीं धर्मचारिणीं रमणीं धर्मनिपुणाम् अभिगच्छेति राघवं सोऽभ्यगच्छन् महातेजाः शबरीं शत्रुसूदनः शबर्या पूजितः सम्यक् रामो दशरथात्मजः पम्पातीरे हनुमता संगतो वानरेणः हनुमद्वचनाच्चैव सुग्रीवेण समागतः सुग्रीवाय च तत्सर्वं शंसद्रामो महाबलः आदितस्तद्यथावृत्तं सीतायाश्च विशेषतः सुग्रीवश्चापि तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा रामस्य वानरः चकार सख्यं रामेण प्रीतश्चैवाग्निसाक्षिकम् ततो वानरराजेन वैरानुकथनं प्रति रामायावेदितं सर्वं प्रणयाद्दुःखितेन च प्रतिज्ञातं च रामेण तदा वालिपदं प्रति वालिनश्च बलं तत्र कथयामास वानरः सुग्रीवः शङ्कितश्चासीत् नित्यं वीर्येण राघव प्रत्ययार्थं तु नुन्दुभेः कायमुत्तमम् दर्शयामास सुग्रीवो महापर्वतसन्निभम् उत्स्मयित्वा महाबाहुः प्रेक्ष्य चास्ति महाबलः पादाङ्गुष्ठेन चिक्षेप सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनं बिभेद च पुनः सालान् सप्तैकेन महेषुणा गिरिं रसातलं चैव जनयन् प्रत्ययं तदा ततः प्रीतमनास्तेन विश्वस्तः स महाकपिः किष्किन्धां रामसहितो जगाम च गुहां तदा इति एतावत्पर्यन्तं वयं दृष्टवन्तः. This is where we stopped. We'll continue from here. Okay. ततो ततः okay. ततो गर्जध्वरिवरः. Is that correct? ततो sorry. गर्ज ततो गर्जद्धरिवरः हरिवरः गर्जद् अगर्जद् ततः अगर्जद् हरिवरः
I
सुग्रीवो
think it's Arivaraha or Harivaraha. It's
हरि हरि
Harivaraha maybe.
so
Oh, Harivaraha.
हरि
Okay.
हरि इत्युक्ते कपि हरि means वानर
Oh, like originally Hari. I thought Hari means Vishnu.
no there are many meanings for hari. There are many meanings for the word hari. I can just show you here. Hari also means vanara. It also means, I think, tiger also. Let's see. Let's quickly search. Hari. Hari is a deer. Harini is deer. Okay. Ekakshana. Hari means green. Harina is antelope. Haridra is yellow. Harihi. Just a second. Hari. Name of a demon. Name of wind god. Red or yellow or reddish brown or green color. Sorry. How do we go back? Hello. Hari. Okay. This is the name of Shukra. Of Shukra, I think. Hari. So there are so many meanings. It actually also means Vanara. It's not given here. Name of Brahma, name of Indra, etc. etc. Hari. Let me search on my phone. I have Nighantu on my phone. Hari. So of course Hari means Vishnu also, but there are many meanings. Hari. Try to get an English translation here. Yes. Green, yellow, Vishnu, Krishna, Indra, Shiva, Yama, Surya, Chandra. Ray of light is also Hari. Fire, wind, horse is also Hari. Lion is Hari. Parrot is Hari. The cuckoo bird, it is also Hari. Peacock is Hari. Goose, ape, frog, snake, etc. etc. So there are many meanings of Hari. So here particularly Hari Varaha ityukte, the best among the Vanaras. Hari Varaha, Sugrivaha. So this is because of Sandhi, the Ha became Dha. Tato Agarjat Harivaraha, Sugrivaha, Hemapingalaha, Tena Nadena Mahata, Nirjagama Harishvaraha. Nirjagama Harishvaraha. We'll see the meaning in a bit. Let's quickly read the shlokas. I think I am getting the meaning. अनुमान्य तदा तारां सुग्रीवेण समागतः निजघान च तत्रैनं शरेणैकेन राघवः. Okay, that's all. In 2 shlokas they killed Bali. So what happened? Tataha, then Agarjat Harivaraha Sugrivaha, the king of all the Vanaras, Sugriva, he did Garjana. in order to call Vali. Hema Pingalaha Apita. I think Hema Pingala is also a Visheshana of Sugriva. Tena Nadena Mahata, because of that sound, great sound. Mahata Nadena Nirjagama Harishwaraha. Nirjagama Harishwaraha. Harishwaraha, I think this Harishwaraha is referring to Vali. Nirjagama. Nirjagama means, I think Nirjagama means generally to go. Maybe it is here, it is meaning to come. We'll see. Anumanya Tada Taram. Tara was the wife of Vali. She was doubtful. Why would Sugriva come without any help? Definitely there is something fishy going on. But Vali does not listen to Tara. He says that no, he has lost to me so many times. This time also he will lose definitely. Sugrivena Samagataha. So because of the fact that Sugriva has come, Tara is doubtful. Anumanya. Parantu what happened? Because he went. Nijagana cha tatrainam sharenaikena Raghavaha. Raghavaha sharenaikena with one. Raghavaha means Ramaha. Sharenaikena with one arrow. Tatra enam there enam him Nijagana killed or hit. Okay. Tata Sugriva Vacha, sorry, Sugriva Vachanad Hatva Valinamahave Sugrivamev Tadrajye Raghavah Pratyapadayat. Okay, we'll go to the meanings now. I think you already have gotten some kind of idea of what is being said here in these slokas. Tataha Harivaraha, best of monkeys, as you can see. Okay, this is Harivaraha here. Hema Pingalaha, yellowish hue, gold color. Hema Pingalaha. Okay. Sugrivaha, Agarjat, he roared. Tena Mahata Nadena, because of that great sound or voice. Harishwaraha, Lord of Monkeys, which is Vali. Nirjagama, he came out. Nirjagama means to come, to go out. Yes, Nirjagama, he came out. Okay, out of the. And then what happened? Tada Taram Anumanya, then Tara having convinced Sugrivena by Sugriva, Samagataha entered into combat. Anumanya. Anumanya means having convinced her. Interesting translation. Samagataha Raghavaha Tatra Enam Ekena Sharena Nijagana, with one Sharena. Having convinced his wife Tara, who was dissuading him, Vali entered into combat with Sugriva. Here Rama killed Vali with single arrow. Why are they saying Anumanya is being translated to having convinced? Which is interesting.
Yeah, in Hindi, Anuman is like guessing kind of approximating something.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see one more translation for more clarity. I think I've put all the translations here. Okay, this is not the one. Just there is one more. Okay, not
I think as Arpanaji told, Anuman Karna means to estimate or something like that, right?
Anuman, that's what. Anumana means to estimate or, to doubt, etc.
It's not doubt, but kind of guess.
तेलुगु में तो वही होता है जी. तेलुगु में अनुमान
Okay.
means to doubt. To
Okay,
think.
नहीं हिंदी में डाउट नहीं बोलते.
अच्छा संक्षेप रामायण प्रति we found it somewhere. Where is it? Where is the one I found? Just a second. Give me a moment. Okay, we'll move on right now. I'll later check it. Okay. ततः सुग्रीववचनात् हत्वा वालिनम् आहवे इत्युक्ते युद्धे in the युद्ध सुग्रीवमेव तद्राज्ये राघवः प्रत्यपादयत्. So राघवः सुग्रीववचनात्, because of the words of Sugriva, Valinam ahave hatva, killed Vali in the battle. Tataha, then tad rajye, in that kingdom, Sugrivam eva pratyapadayat. He made Sugriva only the king again. It is what is being said in the shloka. And then sacha sarvan samaniya vanararshabha dishaf prasthapayamasa didrukshur janakatmajam. Okay. Sacha sarvan samaniya vanaran vanararshabha vanaranam rishabha. So the rishabha means male. It's male bull. Rishabha means bull, but it is generally referred to just like we saw before, right? In the first shloka, Pungava means also male bull. It means Pungava. It's the male cow. That's basically what it means. Pum means male. Gava means cow. So Vanararshabha means the best among the Vanaras. That's what it means. Vanararshabha, who Sugrivaha, Sarvan Vanaran Samaniya. He brought together all the Vanaras. Now that he is the king. Dishaha Prasthapayamasa. For what? Didrukshuhu Janakatmajam Didrukshuhu. In order to see Didrukshuhu, desirous of seeing Janaka's daughter Janakatmajam, in order to find Janakatmaja. That is what is being said. Saha Vanararshabha Sugrivaha Janakatmajam Didrukshuhu, having desire of seeing or finding Sita. Sarvan Vanaran Samaniya, he brought together all the Vanaras. Dishaha Prasthapayamasa, dispatched. He sent all these different Vanaras. He made them into groups and sent them in all dishas, north, south, east, west, etc. Okay. Tato grudhrasya vachanat sampater hanuman bali shatayojana vistirnam apluve lavanarnavam. Oh, then within one shloka only, already they Hanuman reached Lanka within one shloka. Tataha, then Grudhrasya Vachanat, because of the words of eagle. Who is this eagle? Sampatehe Grudhrasya Vachanat. The name of this eagle is Sampati. So actually I remember from the story what happens is all of them, the party that goes to south is Hanuman, Jambavan, etc., all go to south. And when they reach that shore, when they reach the Samudra, they don't know what to do. In fact, because of the fact that they are not able to go further, they have not yet found Sita. They start thinking that maybe we should not go back. We should just do suicide here. We will not go back. It is better, like not being failed is worse than suicide. So that's what they start thinking. And then suddenly they see this eagle, a huge eagle, and they are actually very very scared. They think that maybe this is some rakshasa. They will have to fight. And then they slowly go near. They ask, "Who are you?" He says, "I am Sampati, the brother of what is the name of the other one?
Jatayu.
Jatayu. Yes, I am the brother of Jatayu." And then Hanuman says, this is what happened. Jatayu was killed in like fighting for the life of Sita when Ravana was trying to kidnap her. And Rama did Dahana Samskara to uh, Jatayu. So hearing this, he is very, very, first he is sad. And then he says that, okay, I will also help out my part in order to find Sita. And then he sees from there only, from the shore, he sees to Lanka. And he says, yes, I see Lanka, I see the Patana. In there, I see the Ashoka Vatika. In there, I see there is one tree, I think. I don't know what the tree name is. Under that, there she is. She is crying. She is surrounded by all these Rakshasis. That's what she says. He says. So, yeah. So, hearing that, Krudhrasya Vachanat, because of all these words that were said by this eagle, Sampatehe, Hanuman Bali, Hanuman, yeah, Bali, the one who is strong, Kim Kritavan, Shatayojana Vistirnam, Puplave, he jumped over the 100 yojanas, Lavanarnavam, Lavanarnavam Puplave. So, on top of this Lavana means salt. Lavanarnavam refers to the ocean, and he jumped over the ocean, leapt, Puplave. So, Tataha Bali Hanuman Sampatehe Gridhasya Vachanat Shatayojana Vistirnam for 800 miles. Shatayojana. Lavanarnavam Plave. Leapt. Okay. And then what happened? Tatra Lankam Samasadya Yurim Ravanapalitam Dadarsha Sitam Dhyayanti Ashokavanikam Gatam. So Tatra Lankam Samasadya Purim Ravanapalitam Lankam Purim Ravanapalitam Samasadya Tatra Sitam Dhyayantim Ashokavanikam Gatam Tadarsha. So he found Sita. So what is being said here? Ravana Palitam, being ruled by Ravana, Lankam Purim, the city of Lanka, Samasadya, having reached Tatra Ashokavanikam Gatam, having gone to Ashokavana, Dhyayantim Sitam Dadarsha. He saw Sita who was doing dhyana of Rama, was meditating on Rama. Vane dayitva pravrittin cha nivedya cha samashvasya cha vaidehi mardayamasa toranam. So what did he do? As soon as he saw Sita Devi, nivedayitva abhijnanam pravrittim cha nivedya cha. What is being said here? Abhijnanam, token of recognition. the Angulika, the ring of Rama, Abhignanam Nivedayitva, having given it to her, Pravrittincha, entire Pravrittincha Nivedyacha, related Vaidehim Samashvasya Toranam Mardayamasa. This is what happened. So you are able to follow the story? Hello? Any thoughts?
Yes,
No?
sir. Storyline we followed. But see, how do you rearrange these words to make complete sentence? That's something which we don't know. But after you arrange the words, it is making sense.
Yes. So it's called uh, Anuvrutti. Anuvrutti.
Mhm.
No. Okay. So
Anvaya
it's
krama,
a
is it?
skill. It's a skill that one needs to obtain slowly.
Ah, yeah, yes, yes.
It's not like yesterday one day I woke up and then I was able to read and rearrange words and to understand the shlokas.
Definitely not
Yeah,
expected.
it took a long
Uh,
time.
yes, yes.
Um, just a second. I'm trying to search for the place where like we have one more translation. This translation is fine, but maybe the other translation can be better because uh, just a second. Patra. Okay, I'm just trying to find if okay. I think this is the one, right? Yes, I see. Okay, I found the other translation. That's what I was trying to find. Uh, just, just a second. I'll quickly open it. Okay, 70, right? This is where we are. तत्र लङ्कां समासाद्य पुरीं रावणपालितां ददर्श सीतां ध्यायन्तीम् अशोकवनिकां गताम्. ओके. निवेदयित्वा अभिज्ञानम् इट् इस् अभिज्ञानम्. निवेदयित्वा अभिज्ञानं नाट् सारी प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च disposition of Rama also delineating uh, pravritti. Generally, pravritti means the paristhiti of somebody, what kind of mental state they have. That is what disposition, exactly as captured. Pravrittim nivedya abhignanam pravrittin cha nivedya. After telling about how Rama is doing, because he explains that not only you are very very sad that you are away from Rama, so is Rama very very sad that he is not with you. Every single day he is remembering you and he wants to see you very very soon. That's what he says. Mm, okay, come back. So where are we? Nivedya cha abhignanam nivedayitva pravrittin cha nivedya cha vaidehim this one vaidehim क्षमास्वा समाश्वास्य सम आश्वास्य आश्वासनं मतलब to give condolences to say that, don't worry, we'll come back. I'll bring Rama. Next time I am here, we will be definitely doing Yuddha and we'll be saving you. Samashvasya Toranam Mardayamasa. He started to destroy the arch, the Toranam, the welcome arch of the Ashokavana. Panchasena. Okay, I think we have to go back here. Toranam Mardayamasa. Toranam. Panchasenagraga. Panchasenagragan hatva Saptamantrisutanapi Shuramaksham cha nishpishya Shuramaksham cha nishpishya Grahanam samupagamat Panchasena Agran Hatva, having killed the 5 elders. Panchasena Agras. So the chiefs of 5 army chiefs. Hatva, he killed them, not only them. Sapta Mantri Sutanapi, 7 sons of Mantris. Hatva. Shuram Akshancha Nishpishya. So Shuram Aksham. Aksha is the name of a particular Rakshasa. Nishpishya. Nishpishya means kneaded down. Let's see. Nishpishya. Aksham. Oh, Akshaya Kumara. Son of Ravana. Nishpishya. Having stamped. Okay. I think it means to. How do I say it? Nishpishya. It's hard to explain these words. It basically means like, to make like to knead, like, if you have some kind of dough when you make chapati, the way you you knead it. Nishpishya, having kneaded him nicely.
And does it mean killed or it is just only?
Nishpishya, to make, like,
Yeah.
I don't know how to say it. Knead. That's what it
Okay.
means, basically.
No, but I think Akshay Kumar was killed
No,
by
he was not
Hanumanji,
killed.
right?
He was not killed.
Someone was but killed.
Hanji?
I think might be Akshay Kumar only.
Kneaded down gallant demon named Akshakumara, Hanuman. Okay. And then what happened? Yeah.
Vikramji, I think he was killed.
Killed. Akshakumara. Maybe, yeah, I think he killed him. Nishpishya means nicely kneaded, like, I don't know how to say it.
పిండి పిండి చేయడం
అదే నిష్పిష్య మీన్స్ దట్స్ వాట్ పిండి పిండి చేయడమే
in Kannada it's ಗುಜ್ಜು ಗುಜ್ಜು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅರ್ಥ I don't know how they say it in Hindi.
Fish means dough. Nishpishya, nicely doughed, like, made into I don't know. He was made into nice ball of meat. That's what it means. Nishpishya. Grahanam Samupagamat. Grahanam Samupagamat. Captivity. Entered into captivity. So he was caught. Indrajit, he uses that. What does he use? He uses Brahmastra in order to tie down Hanuman. Grahanam Samupagamat. Then he was caught finally, having killed Akshakumara. Okay. Tadanantaram, so what do you say? We stop here or we'll stop later? I think we can stop after this. It was very nice. I don't want to stop actually. We still have 20 minutes, so we started slightly late. So, mm. अस्त्रेणोन्मुक्तमात्मानम् ज्ञात्मा पैतामहाद्वराम् महाद्वराम् पैतामहाद्वराम् मर्शयन्नाक्षसान् वीरो यन्त्रिणस्तान्यदृच्छया ततो दग्ध्वा पुरीं लङ्काम् ऋते सीतां च मैथिलीम् रामस्य प्रियमाख्यातुम्
There Ramaya
पुनरा
is given.
oh, रामाय रामाय प्रियमाख्यातुम् पुनरायान् महाकपिः. So yeah, so in these two slokas everything happened. He destroyed Lanka and then he went back to tell Rama that he has seen Sita. That is what is being said. Veeraha Mahakapihi, the great warrior Mahakapihi Hanuman. Paitamahat, oh, relating to Pitamaha. Pitamaha means grandfather, but here it refers to Brahma because Brahmadeva is called Pitamaha many times. Paitamahat Varat, because of the Vara of Brahma, Atmanam Astrena Unmuktam Jnatva. So, Atmanam, his own self, Astrena, by the, okay, he is not bound or he is released. Unmuktam Jnatva Yadruchaya, casually, in expectation of his another objective of seeing Ravana. Yantrinaha, restrained by ropes, Yantrinaha, Tan Rakshasan, Marshayan, enduring Marshayan, Tataha, Maithilim Sitam Rate, except for Sita, Lankam, Purim, Dagdva, Ramaya, Priyam, Akhyatum, Punaha, Ayat. So this is what happened. So what is being said here? Let's go to the other translation. Sometimes that is better. Veeraha Mahakavihi Pitamaha Paitamahat Varat Atmanam Astrena Unmuktam. He was released from the captivity, from the Brahmastra, because of the Vara of Brahmadeva. Jnatva, knowing, Yadruchaya, intentionally, Yantrinaha, so he was tied down. So he was actually unharmed by the Brahmastra. Yadruchaya, with his own intention, he let them tie him. Tan Rakshasan Marshan, he tolerated the demons as they tried to tie him and try to abuse, etc. Marshayan, he tolerated them for a bit. Tataha, then, so why did he do all this? In order to see. The other point was because he is here. Now he also has to see Ravana and what he is doing, etc. Just for info. So, with that intention in mind, he got caught. And then he saw Tataha. Afterwards, Maithilim Sitam Rite, accepting her with other than the Ashokavana. Lankam Purim Dagdva. He burned the Lanka Nagara. Ramaya Priyam Akyatum, in order to tell the pleasant news. Akyatum, to tell Ramaya to Rama. Punaha Ayat. He came back. That is what happened in these two shlokas. Saha Abhigam. We'll go ahead. We'll read one more, or we'll see. I think we can do till 80. सोऽभिगम्य महात्मानं कृत्वा रामं प्रदक्षिणम् न्यवेदयत् अमेयात्मा दृष्ट्वा सीतामिति दृष्ट्वा सीतेति तत्त्वतः. Okay, so this is very interesting. He says, so abhigamya saha, he went after going to Mahatmanam Ramam Pradakshinam Krutva. He did the Pradakshina of Rama after going there. And then Nyavedayat, he told. What did he said? Ameyatma. Ameyaha ityukte kim? Ameya, immeasurable, magnanimous. Ameyatman, yes, of immense power of mind. Ameyatma, what did he do? Drushtva सीतेति तत्वतः. Drushtva सीता इति one. Tatvatah, and subtlety. Oh, Tatvatah. How is Tatvatah being translated? Tatvatah, truthfully. Okay, so this is what he did. He told Rama that he said Drushta Sita. He did not say Sita Drushta. Drushta Sita means Sita has been seen. That's what it means. He is saying Drushta beforehand. He is not saying Sita Drushta, because Rama is in such a emotional state that by the time all these the party that went to south went back to Kishkindha, all the remaining parties have already returned and they were not able to find Sita. Rama was very, very saddened by all of this. And when Hanuman went there, instead of saying I saw Sita, so instead of saying normally how we say it in Telugu, we say Sita nu chusanu, और सीता को मैंने देखा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल. पहले हम सीता बोलते हैं, बाद में देखा बोलते हैं, है ना. He did not say that. He said it the reverse way. He said Drushta. I have seen. He said first I have seen, because in order to Rama was in such a bad state that he was not able to control. Just from hearing Sita, what if he says I have not seen? सीता को बोल दिया आपने, उसके बाद आपने देखा है नहीं देखा है, अभी और भी बात बोलना पड़ेगा ना, तो पहले ही देखा बोल दिया. दृष्ट्वा सीता इति तत्त्वतः, दृष्ट्वा सीतेति तत्त्वतः न्यवेदयत्, he informed. Okay, महात्मा, अमेयात्मा सह महात्मानं रामम् अभिगम्य प्रदक्षिणं कृत्वा दृष्टा सीता इति, in this manner, तत्त्वतः न्यवेदयत्, he told him. Maybe this is where we'll stop. This is a very, very nice point to stop at. तदा सुग्रीवसहितो गत्वा तीरं महोदधे समुद्रं क्षोभयामास शरीरादित्य सन्निभैः.
So total Sundarakanda is 6 shlokas, is it?
That's all. Yeah, essentially Sundarakanda is 6 shlokas. From here it starts, right? Directly. This is the start. In this shloka only he reached Lanka. The next shloka he saw Sita. The next shloka he got caught. He killed all these. Oh no! He first talked with Sita and consoled her, and then he killed all these rakshasas. Got caught, and then he burned Lanka, and he came back. Came back and also told the news. So how many from here, right? Tatra Lanka Samad. From here 72 to 78, 6 shlokas. Oh, 72 included, right? I think it would be 7 shlokas.
Yeah, 7 not.
We'll stop here or we'll do one more. Hello. Hello.
We can stop here, sir.
We'll stop here and now we'll practice. Quickly, one of you can start. This is where we were. Sampagamata. Guham Sampagamat. This is where we stop. Next. Oh, is this right? Right. 67, right? Yes. Tatra. Guham Tada. Yes, here. Is somebody ready to read?
Yeah, I will read with you, sir.
Tato garjadhari hara varaha. Tato garjadhari varaha.
Tato garjadhari paraha.
Sugrivo hema pingalaha.
Sugriho hema pingalaha.
Tena nadena mahata.
Tena nadena mahata.
Nirjagama harishvaraha.
Nirjagama harishvaraha.
Anumanya tadataram.
Anumanya tadhataram.
Sugrivena samagataha.
Sugrivena samagataha.
Nijaghana cha tatrainam.
Nijaghana cha tatrainam.
Charenaikena raghavah.
Charenekhena raghavaha.
Charenaikena.
Charenekhena raghavaha.
Tatas sugriva vachanat.
Tatha sugriva vachanat.
Hatva valina mahave.
Hatva valina mahave.
Sugrivameva tadrajye.
Sugrivameva tadrajye.
Raghavah pratyapadayat.
Raghava pratyapadayat.
Sacha sarvan samaniya.
Sacha sarvan samaniya.
Vanaran vanararshabha.
Vanaran vanararshabha.
Dishah prasthapayamasa.
Disha pratapayamasa.
Didrukshur janakatmajam.
Didrukshar janakatmajam. Didrukshar janakatmajam.
Didruksharnakshur.
Didukshur. Didukshar janakatmajam.
Didrukshur.
Didrukshur.
Janakatmajam.
Didrukshur janakatmajam.
Tato
continue.
ततो गृध्रस्य वचनात्
ततो गृध्रस्य वचनात्
सम्पातेर्हनुमान् बली
सम्पातेर्हनुमान् बली
शतयोजनविस्तीर्णम्
शतयोजनविस्तीर्णम्
पुप्लवे लवणार्णवम्
पुप्लवे लवणार्णवम्
तत्र लङ्काम् समासाद्य
तत्र लङ्काम् समासाद्य
पुरीम् रावणपालिताम्
पुरीम् रावणपालिताम्
ददर्श सीताम् ध्यायन्तीम्
ददर्श सीताम् ध्यायन्तीम्
अशोकवनिकाम् गताम्
अशोकवनिकाम् गताम्
निवेदयित्वाभिज्ञानम्
निवेदयित्वा विज्ञानम्
प्रवृत्तिम् च निवेद्य च
प्रवृत्तिम् च निवेद्य च
समाश्वास्य च वैदेहीम्
समाशास्व समाशास्य समाश्वास्य च वैदेहीम्
मर्दयामास तोरणम्
मर्दयामास तोरणम्
पञ्चसेनाग्रगान् हत्वा
पञ्चसेनाग्रगानत्वा
सप्तमन्त्रिसुतानपि
सप्तमन्त्रिसुतानपि
शूरमक्षम् च निष्पिष्य
शूरमक्षम् च निष्पिष्य
ग्रहणम् समुपागमत्
ग्रहणम् समुपागमत्
अस्त्रेणोन्मुक्तमात्मानम्
अस्त्रेणोन्मुक्तमात्मानम्
ज्ञात्वा पैतामहाद्वरम्
Maram or what should we say? Yes, sir.
ज्ञात्वा पैतात्महात् वरम् ज्ञात्वा
ज्ञात्वा पैतामहाद्वरात्
वरम् वरात् सारी वाट् एम् ज्ञात्वा पैतात्महात् सारी ज्ञात्वा पैतामहाद्वरम् वरात् सारी ज्ञात्वा पैतामहाद्वरात्
ज्ञात्वा पैतामहाद्वरात्
मर्शयन् राक्षसान् वीरः
वीरः ओके मर्शयन् राक्षसान् वीरः
यन्त्रिणस्तान्यदृच्छया
यन्त्रिणस्तान्यदृच्छया
ततो दग्ध्वा पुरीम् लङ्काम्
ततो दग्ध्वा पुरीम् लङ्काम्
ऋते सीताम् च मैथिलीम्
हिते सीताम् च मैथिलीम्
रामस्य प्रियमाख्यातुम्
सर रामस्य we should
sorry
say
रामाय प्रियमाख्यातुम् what am I saying
रामाय प्रियमाख्यातुम्
पुनरायान् महाकपिः
पुनरायान् महाकपिः
this is where we stopped right
we went
we did one more
yeah
yes सोऽभिगम्य महात्मानम्
सोऽभिगम्य महात्मानम्
कृत्वा रामम् प्रदक्षिणम्
कृत्वा रामम् प्रदक्षिणम्
न्यवेदयत् अमेयात्मा
नवेदयत् अमे आत्मा
दृष्ट्वा सीतेति तत्त्वतः
दृष्ट्वा
सारी
दृष्ट्वा
दृष्टा
दृष्टा
सीतेति तत्त्वतः
दृष्टासीथेति तत्त्वतः.
where you stop.
Yeah.
Sadhu. Dhanyawadaha. Does somebody else also want to read these the new shlokas quickly? Oh, those who need to leave, they can leave. It's okay. Because we are already over time. But I'll be here for five more minutes if somebody wants to read them along. Vishnuji, Arpana ma'am.
जस्ट् एकनिमिषं पठामि.
भवान् पठति वा महोदय?
अहं पठामि महोदय, अहं पठामि.
भवानेव पठति वा?
अहं प्रयत्नं करोमि.
प्रयत्नं करोमि.
ततो गर्जद्धरिवरः सुग्रीवो हेमपिङ्गलः तेन नादेन महता निर्जगामहरीश्वरः अनुमान्य तदातारां सुग्रीवेण समागतः निजघान च तत्रैनं शरेणैकेन राघवः ततः सुग्रीववचनाद्धत्वा वालिनमाहवे सुग्रीवमेव.
Sir, if you break it there, you will have to say hatva. Sugriva vachanat hatva. Otherwise, Sugriva vachanat dhatva.
Okay. Did I say mistake?
I think you said dhatva.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Tata Sugriva vachanat hatva valinamahave Sugrivameva tadrajye Raghavah pratyapadayat sacha sarvan samaniya vanaran vanararshabha dishah prasthapayamasa दिदृक्षुर्जनकात्मजां ततो गृध्रस्य वचनात् सम्पातेर्हनुमान् बली शतयोजना विस्तीर्णम् उप्लुवे लवणार्णवम् तत्र लङ्कां समासाद्य पुरीं रावणपालितां ददर्श सीतां ध्यायन्तीम् अशोकवनिकां गताम् निवेदयित्वाभिज्ञानम् प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च समाश्वास्य च वैदेहीम् मर्दयामास तोरणम् पञ्चसेनाग्रहान् हत्वा सप्तमन्त्रिसुतानपि शूरमक्षं च निष्पिष्य ग्रहणं समुपागमत् अस्त्रेणोन्मुक्तमात्मानं ज्ञात्वा पैतामहाद्वरात् मर्शयन् राक्षसान् वीरो यन्त्रिणस्तान् यदृच्छया ततो दग्धा पुरीं लङ्कां मृते सीतां च मैथिलीं रामाय प्रियमाख्यातुं पुनरायान् महाकपिः सोऽभिगम्य महात्मानं कृत्वा रामं प्रदक्षिणम् न्यवेदयत् अमेयात्मा दृष्टा सीतेति तत्त्वतः. धन्यवादः.
सन्तोषः. अर्पणाजी, भवती अपि पठति वा? Would you also like to read these?
Yes.
Okay. Others can leave if they have other works, no problem. If otherwise, they can stay. Always welcome to stay. Okay. Here. Tato garjadharivarah.
Tato garjadharivarah
ततो गर्जद्धरिवरः
ततो गर्दजधरिवरः
गर्जद्धरिवरः
धरिवरः
गर्जत्
धरिवरः
so
धरिवरः
गर्जत् हरिवरः when
हरि
you do
हरि
this
और धरि
so when you do sandhi it becomes gha
घड़ी ओके
yes.
गर्जत घड़ीवरः
So actually it's supposed to be garjat harivarah supposed to be so I'll only write the
गर्जत
last part
हाँ गर्जत हरिवरः
jat followed by ha okay this da first becomes da okay and because it is being followed by ha the ha becomes dha because this is
okay
da this becomes dha so all in all you have garjat harivara okay ततो गर्जद्धरिवरः
ततो गर्जद्धरिवरः
गर्जद्धरि ओके सुग्रीवो हेमपिङ्गलः
सुग्रीवो हेमपिङ्गलः
तेन नादेन महता
तेन नादेन महता
निर्जगाम हरीश्वरम्
Ma will come.
निर्जगाम
No, after Ra, Anuswar is there, na? So how Ma? Rama or Raha? Last.
हरीश्वरः sorry did I say हरीश्वरम् I'm sorry
Yes.
निर्जगाम हरीश्वरः I am sorry
Okay. Nirjagama Harishwaraha
अनुमान्यतदाताराम्
Anumanyatadataram
सुग्रीवेण समागतः
Sugrivena Samagataha
निजघान च तत्रैनम्
Nijghana cha tatrenam
शरेणैकेन राघवः
शरेणिकैन् राघवः
शरेणैकेन राघवः शरेण एकेन
शरेण
it is actually
इकेन
two words
शरेण
sharena
इकेन
ekena shara
शरैरिकेन
means what is shara we already talked about this what does shara means shara means arrow okay ekena sharena with using only one arrow sharena okay ekena
शरेण एकेन एकेन is one
ekena by one it's actually ekena means eka means one ekena means by one sharena means by shara by one shara that is what it is meaning
शरैणकेन
sharena ekena so what is happening is this na is actually composed of n and a this a and a add together to form I okay शरेणैकेन राघवः शरेणैकेन राघवः
शरेण एकेन राघवः
शरेणैकेन राघवः
शरेण can you say again
शरेणैकेन राघवः
शरैणकेन राघवः
शरेणैकेन
okay शरैण
this is a this is I
शरैणकेन राघवः
once again
शरैणि
I शरेणैकेन
I think yeah शरैणकेन राघवः
नहीं तो ऐसा बोलिए शरेण एकेन राघव। पर प्रॉब्लम ये है ना, जब आप संधि का भंग करती हो, व्हेन यू ब्रेक द संधि, द अक्षरास इंक्रीज, so no longer it is in that correct chandas.
Then, no, I think just practice is needed.
हाँ, शरेण ऐके,
Sharena, Sharena,
शरेण ऐकेन।
Sharena, Kena, Raghav,
आराम से बोलिए,
Sharena,
शरेण ऐकेन।
Kena,
बस उतने ही,
Sharena,
उतने। आप आराम से बोल रही हो तो आ रहा
Kena,
है, नहीं तो नहीं आ रहा है।
Sharena,
वापस
Kena,
वापस, आराम से आराम से आराम से देखिए।
Sharainikena
ये क्या
Raghavah.
है? ये क्या है?
Re.
हाँ हाँ,
Sharainikena
आप गलत बोले,
Raghavah.
आप शरई बोल, शरे
Sharai.
शरेण
Okay, Sharain Kena Raghavah.
आप इसको पढ़िए, आपको थोड़ा, आपको आराम से समझ में आया, थोड़ा इंग्लिश में लिख देता हूँ मैं।
Okay, I'm not very good with English, so that pronunciation
कोई बात
markers.
नहीं, आपको थोड़ा नहीं, इसमें इसके बाद शा रे
Re.
नहीं के
Sharainikena. Sharainikena.
थोड़ा आराम हो जाए।
Okay. Sharainikena.
बस इतना ही है। शरेणैकेन राघवः।
Sharainikena Raghavah.
ठीक है,
Yes.
उसके बाद ततः सुग्रीव वचनात्
ततः सुग्रीव वचनाद्
हत्वा वालिनमाहवे।
हत्वा वालीनमाहवे
सुग्रीवमेव तद्राज्ये
सुग्रीवमेव तद्राज्ये
राघवः प्रत्यपादयत्।
राघवः प्रत्यपादयत्
स च सर्वान् समानीय
स च सर्वान् समानीय
वानरान् वानरर्षभः
वानरान् वानरर्षभः
दिशः प्रस्थापयामास।
दिशः प्रस्थापयामास दिशः प्रस्थाप okay दिशः प्रस्थापयामास
दिशः
प्रस्थापयामास
दिशः प्रस्थापयामास।
दिशः
क्या
प्रस्थापयामास
बोल रही हो आप? क्या नहीं था,
दिशः
था प्रस्था।
ओके प्रस्थाप दिशः प्रस्थापयामास
फिर से एक और बार।
दिशः प्रस्थापयामास
दिदृक्षुर्जनकात्मजाम्।
दिदृक्षुर्जनकात्मजा
बहुत बढ़िया। ततो गृध्रस्य वचनात्
ततो गृध्रस्य वचनात्
सम्पातेर्हनुमान् बली।
सम्पातेर्हनुमान् बली
शतयोजनविस्तीर्णम्
शतयोजनविस्तीर्णम्
पुप्लुवे
पुप्लुवे
लवणार्णवम् तत्र लङ्कां
समासाद्य
पुरीं रावणपालिताम्
पुरीं रावणपालिताम्
ददर्श सीतां ध्यायन्तीम् ददर्श सीतां ध्यायन्तीम् अशोकवनिकां गतां
अशोकवनिकां गतां
निवेदयित्वाभिज्ञानम्
निवेदयित्वाभिज्ञानं
प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च
प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च
प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च
प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च
प्रवृत्तिं च
प्रवृत् what am I saying?
प्रवृत्तिं च is also correct only, but yeah, I am just nitpicking. प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च.
प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च.
You can say pravrittin cha, but you can also say pravrittin cha. That's all. I'm just pointing that out. That's
Okay,
all.
I'm not very I'm not able to differentiate.
Is it? Oh no. This
Is it
pravrittin
na and
cha.
ma? Okay, na or ma is happening?
It's actually ni. Pravrittin cha.
Pravrittin. Okay, pravrittin cha.
Pravrittin
Okay.
cha.
Okay.
But yeah, but that's all right. That's a
No.
small.
प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च.
Nivedya cha.
निवेद्य च. Okay, निवेद्य च. प्रवृत्तिं च निवेद्य च.
समाश्वास्य च वैदेहीम्.
समाश्वास्य च वैदेहीं. वैदेहीं.
समाश्वास्य च वैदेहीम्.
समाश्वास्याय च वैदेहीम्.
मर्दयामास तोरणम्.
मर्दयामास तोरणम्.
पञ्चसेनाग्रगान् हत्वा.
Okay.
पंच.
No, I was confusing with Gragan. Panchasenagragan hatta.
सप्तमन्त्रिसुतानपि.
सप्तमन्त्रिसुतानपि.
शूरमक्षं च निष्पिष्य.
शूरमक्षं च निष्पिष्य.
ग्रहणं समुपागमत्.
ग्रहणं समुपागतम्.
समुपागमत्.
ग्रहणं समुपागमत्.
अस्त्रेणोन्मुक्तमात्मानम्.
अस्त्रेणोन्मुक्तमात्मानम्.
ज्ञात्वा पैतामहात् वरम्.
Varam or varat?
Oh, sorry. I am doing the same mistake over and over again. ज्ञात्वा पैतामहात् वरात्.
ज्ञात्वा पैतामहात् वरात्.
मर्शयन् राक्षसान् वीरः.
मर्शयन् राक्षसान् वीरो. Okay, you said Veeraha.
Yes, because we are not doing Sandhi here. We broke it, right?
Okay, so no need to say Viro.
We have to say Veeraha. When there is Sandhi, the Visarga becomes Okara. Oh.
Okay. Marshayan Rakshasan Veeraha.
Marshayan Rakshasan Veeraha.
Marshayan Rakshasan Veeraha.
Yantrinastan yadruchaya.
Yantrinastan yadruchaya.
Tato dagdva purim lankam.
Tato dagdvam purim lankam.
Dagdvam iti na? Dagdva.
Dagdva. Tato dagdva purim lankam.
Purim lankam. Dirgha.
Tato dagdva purim lankam.
ऋते सीतां च मैथिलीं
मृते सीतां च मैथिलीं
मृ न ऋते ऋते
मृते 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 or
ma'am, it
मृते.
is Lankam Rite. So you have broke that sandhi there. It is actually Rita. Just a second. What I'm trying to say here is Lankam. Sorry. Lanka. And then it is followed by R. Rite. So this M plus R becomes Mr. Mr.
Mr.
So we broke
Mr.
this. We broke this sandhi here. So Rite. Rite. Rite.
My ra and ra re
Rite. Rite.
rite rite
So actually the
rite.
correct pronunciation of this letter, it's not re like the way Hindi people pronounce it, nor
Yeah.
is it ru like how Telugu people or Kannada people pronounce it. It is in the middle, it's r. Are you able to hear that difference between ru, re, r,
Yes.
r?
I guess when you are saying we can differentiate.
It's r, r,
Ru ru
r. So that is what you need to say here. That is the sound you make here. Lankam Rate Sitan cha Maithilim.
rite. Okay, Lankam rite Sitam
Cha Maithilim.
cha
Rate
Maithilim.
Sitan cha Maithilim.
Mrite
Don't say
Sitam.
Mrita. Mrita means dead. Please.
Yeah.
Lankam Rate.
Lankam Mrit
Lankam Rate.
Lankam Mrite. Lankam
You
Mrite.
see this right? Lankam. And then it has Rite.
Rite.
Break this. Break the sandhi here. There is no sandhi here.
Okay.
Rite. So although you see in the text you see Lankam Rite, but that is when you are doing sandhi. But because of the because we are breaking the sandhi here, right? You have
Yes.
to treat this guy alone. Lankam is over. Lankam is already gone. That mu is already gone. Ru is remaining. Rite.
Rite. Rite.
Rite Sitancha Maithilim. Or if it is comfortable for you, you can say Rite Sitancha.
No, I will try saying correct only.
Okay, ma'am.
Rite Sitam cha Maithilim.
Maya. Chato Dagdva Purin Lankam.
Tato Dagdva Purim. Dagdva. Tato Dagdva Purim Lankam.
So one more thing, because this Anuswara is followed by Lakara, it becomes Puril Lankam.
Puril Lankam.
Puril
Lankam. Okay, Puril Lankam.
So that is one thing. I think we have not discussed this before. Just a note.
No.
So this simple dot can take many forms.
Yes. Tato Dagdva Puril Lankam.
Rite Sitancha Maithilim.
Rite Sitam cha Maithilim.
Maithilim.
Okay. Rite Sitam cha Maithilim.
अब मैं बोल रही हूँ मई होता है.
Rite Sitam cha Maithilim.
Okay, it's okay.
Maithilim.
Maithilim.
Okay, Maithilim. मैथिलीं ऋते सीतां च मैथिलीं
रामाय प्रियमाख्यातुम्
रामाय प्रियमाख्यातुम्
पुनरायान् महाकविः
पुनरायान् महाकपिः
सोऽभिगम्य महात्मानम्
तोऽभिगम्य महात्मानम्
कृत्वा रामं प्रदक्षिणम्
कृत्वा रामं प्रदक्षिणम्
न्यवेदयत् अमेयात्मा
न वेदयत् अमेयात्मा
or you can say न्यवेदयदमेयात्मा
Can you repeat?
न्यवेदयदमेयात्मा
न्यवेदयद् न्यवेदयद्
अमेयात्मा.
अमेयात्मा. Okay. This is but nya na?
Which one? Nya.
First nya.
Nyavedayat.
Nyavedana. So nyavedayad yadam. No. Oh, I confused myself.
It's okay. Nyavedayat अमेयात्मा
न्यवेदयद् अमेयात्मा
दृष्ट्वा सीतेति तत्त्वतः दृष्टासीतेति तत्त्वतः
दृष्टासीतेति तत्त्वतः
दृष्टासीतेति तत्त्वतः
दृष्टासीतेति तत्त्वतः
again दृष्टा दृ not dhru not dri dr दृष्टा
दृष्टा दृष्टासीतेति तत्त्वतः
इति एतावत्पर्यन्तम् अभवत्. धन्यवादाः. सर्वं श्रीपरमेश्वरार्पणमस्तु. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतेः स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवनारायण नमोऽस्तु ते. विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तमा. धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.